Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to set up a ghost bot. To begin, you will need to visit the Discord developer portal. Once there, create a new application and assign it a distinct name. Next, proceed to the bot section within your application settings and add a new bot. This action will allow you to generate a unique bot token. It is crucial to copy this token and keep it secure, as it acts as your bot's password for the next steps. Now, let's connect your bot to the Bot Ghost platform. Head over to the Bot Ghost website and log in with your Discord account. You will then paste the bot token you copied earlier into the provided box. It's vital to return to the Discord developer portal and enable all three privileged gateway intents: presence, server members, and message content. Additionally, ensure you disable the OAuth 2 code grant for your bot to function correctly. With your bot connected, it's time for customization. Bot Ghost offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, allowing you to build custom commands without any coding. You can design personalized responses and automate a wide range of server actions. Implement moderation commands to help manage your community effectively. Don't forget to explore other powerful features, such as setting up timed messages for announcements or integrating with popular social media platforms for enhanced engagement. Finally, let's bring your ghost bot to life. In your Bot Ghost dashboard, simply toggle the switch to ensure your bot is online and active. Then, proceed to invite your bot to your chosen Discord server, granting it the necessary permissions. To keep your bot running smoothly and efficiently, remember to regularly check for updates and new features. Consistent monitoring of its performance will help you quickly address any issues that may arise, ensuring a seamless experience for your server members.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.